Hello there, friends. Welcome to our channel Organized by Dorsey. Today, we're in part 5 in the summer series of my journey to minimalism. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Dorsey and I do weekly organizational videos. Today, I'll be showing you how I'm decluttering my master closet, closed closet that is, and showing you how I'm reorganizing the closet as well. So, let's get started. This is what my closet looks like right now. And what I'm going to be doing in the next hour or so is to go through each item, take anything out that no longer serves me, whether it's an item that I don't like anymore or something that does not fit anymore. And I'm going to be donating those items. And then whatever is left in my closet, whether it be shoes or purses or dresses, I'll be able to just walk in at any time, try something on, knows that it works, and I'm ready to go. So this is an overview of what the closet looks like right now. And then in an hour or so, we'll take another look at the closet after I've taken everything out and reorganize or clean and organize this closet again. Let's take a look at the closet once more. This is the before, and then we'll do the after in just another hour or so. Now, if you've watched my videos in the past on organizing my closet, there are a couple of tips that I always share with you. One of the tips is that I always make sure that the hangers are similar in shape, color, and size. For example, here where I keep these heavy items, then the hangers, these are the wood hangers. So all the items on this side are the wood hangers. When I go over to where my dresses are, these are the velvet hangers, but they're the same for my dresses. They're all the same sizes and color. Another thing that I do is when I'm organizing my closet, I always make sure that the blouses, for example, on this side are from light to dark in color. But not only that, I make sure that the way they're set up, it's no sleeves, medium sleeves, and long sleeves. And so those are some of the tips that I usually follow in keeping an organized closet. One last thing in terms of organization is I ordered these little clips from Amazon some months ago, and this is what I use to divide each section. So not only are the hangers the different color hangers are there, but the dividers are there as well, and that gives it a more cohesive look. So after all this is done, after I've decluttered today, when we come back to look at this closet later on, you'll see that it's organized in terms of light to dark for colors, no sleeves, short sleeves, long sleeves, and the dividers are there. So those are some of the tips that will give the closet a more organized look. But let's really get started in decluttering this closet. I have just finished decluttering most of the closet area. Took me much longer than I thought it would. I thought it would only take an hour, and it has been over 2.5 hours. but I got most of the items that I needed to donate here. And then of course, let me show you what the closet looks like. I have not done the shoes yet. I have to do that as another project, but let me go ahead and show you what the closet looks like now. I've organized after I've taken out all the excess items here. This is what the closet looks like now. There's still a lot of clothes because most of the clothes that I have here are for both summer and fall. So I just did the summer items. I still have to go through the fall items and separate those and donate them as well. But these are all the items that are left in this closet here. I didn't get a chance to do my husband's closet side of that he has, but I'll do that at another time. But on my side, everything, all the old items are taken out, and just the items that I need to wear or will wear are left in the closet. So we still have some more cleaning to do in here. As mentioned earlier, I do have all the clothes, the hangers are the same style and sizes based on what they're used for. The velvet hangers are the ones that keep the summer t-shirts or just the short sleeve shirts on. Then the winter items, I have them on the hanger. The wood hangers here, my dresses and my jeans are in a different style of hangers, of course. And you can see the dividers here based on what section of the closet we're dividing. So that's pretty much what the closet looks like. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll take the time, of course, to subscribe to the channel. That is, if you have not already done so. And if you have, I just want to say a special thank you. I'm always so appreciative of your support. Thank you so much for watching. And I really, really look forward to seeing you next time in our next video. Goodbye, and of course, good luck.